Hi guys, in front of me is LG G7 Fit and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings. Then go to General and mark Lock Screen and Security. Here click on Fingerprints and tap on Next. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, password, knock code, whatever you prefer. Just tap on Next and draw the pattern that you want to apply, re-enter it just to confirm. And now manage notification content. And now it's time to enter your fingerprint. So the sensor is located on the back cover over here. All you have to do is to keep tapping this way till your fingerprint is fully added. As you can see, it has been done. Tap on OK. And from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.